At the end of the pumping day, the 321 will have to be cleaned. This can be accomplished by running the material hopper all the way down to the bottom, and water can be introduced into the hopper. With this pump being a piston style design, we will have to either let the machine suck air with the water, or we can turn the pump on and off, maintaining the line pressure. With water behind the material can compress. The water cannot, so therefore the material line pressure will get extremely high and may cause the pump to stop. This can be overcome by letting the pump suck air, or slowing the pump down, or turning the pump on and off to maintain a safe line pressure. Once the water reaches the sprayer at the spray station, we can now relieve the line pressure. We can ensure that this is also cleaned out for the next day operation. While this is open, we can remove the material hose and insert the sponge balls to clean out the inside of the hose. Reattach the hose and close the pressure relief valve. And now you can continue to pump water through until the sponge balls are pushed through the delivery system. The 321 pumps are designed to be washed down. However, please keep high pressure water away from electrical boxes and the electrical motor. The pumps are safe to wash down with low pressure water. The vertical hopper is a great addition to the 321E. However, during operation, the machine is more susceptible to spillage of the material onto the machine. If any material is spilled onto the machine or the electrical boxes, it can be safely washed off with low pressure water to remove the residual material. If operating the 321 in coastal areas, wash the pump down on a daily basis to remove the salt or anything that can accumulate on the surface throughout the day. This can be done with low pressure water, and the units are designed to be washed down with low pressure water without harming the unit.